Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Do you have an old tired patio that's in dire need of a mini transformation and you're on a tight budget? Well, let me show you how you can achieve this look. The tools and products required to complete the task are Fired Earth Modo Low Sheen PVA, wall primer, scrapers, ready mix crack filler, sandpaper, pencil, tape measure, masking tape, painter's bucket, paintbrush, roller and paint tray, a screwdriver, a drill with a 6mm masonry drill bit, 6mm plugs and screws, and decorative mirrors. To get started, we cleared the patio of all furniture, making sure that we have a clear, safe area to work in. Remove any other nails or items on the walls that you're about to paint. Fill in any holes or cracks with crack filler using your scraper. If your ready mix crack filler feels a bit too thick or difficult to work with, just add a little water to thin it out. Then allow your crack filler to dry. Tape off any areas you would like to avoid getting paint on, such as the floor, door frames, around your windows, or the cornice. Before we started painting, we decided it might be better to mark out and drill the holes for the screws where we would hang the decorative mirrors. This would save us from getting dust on the freshly painted walls and then having to touch it up again. Drill the holes using a 6mm masonry drill bit and insert the plugs. Give the nylon plugs a gentle hammer if needed to get it flush with the wall. Now that the crack filler is dry, we can sand down the surface and the rest of the wall to get rid of any imperfections. Remember, if you pay more attention to your preparation, you will definitely get a better finish. If you're going to paint on a surface that has not been painted before, you'll need to apply a coat of wall primer first. Luckily for us, this wall was, so there was no need for that step. It was time to paint. Start with cutting in and painting over the crack filler first. The Fired Earth Modo paint is easy to work with, and best of all, there are so many colors to choose from, either off the shelf or the friendly staff at Builders can mix any color that you desire. Paint the rest of the wall using a paint tray and roller. Give it at least 2 coats of paint, allowing enough drying time between each coat as per the manufacturer's instructions. With the second coat done, it was time to mount the mirrors on the wall. Well, the mirrors are hung and all that's left to do now is to dress this patio. I tell you what, it's already looking amazing. This patio is all dressed up and it looks fantastic, including these pillows, the decorative mirrors, which are all available at your local Builders or online. All you need to do, go check it out on www.builders.co.za. Also go to our blog for more ideas on how you can get this look. Get to Builders, get it done.